Okay, this has been the project I've been working for the past few days. It's basically a gesture controlled bot. Works on the basis of human gestures of your hand to be precise. The quick facts about the bot would be the module that I'm going to use is an MMA7260QT. It has an Atmega 16 that is based on the AVR architecture. Then I have two motor drivers, L293D, and two normal 12 volt DC motors, and an onboard power supply which could not supply power independently for the accelerometer. So I'm going to be using a UPS unit here, temporarily of course. The underlying principle of the project is acceleration in the plane of this small module. In the plane of the small module would be sensed and sent directly to the Atmega 16, where it would be processed on further, and accordingly the instructions would be executed. It also has an onboard LCD. If you might be able to see from this distance, it has an LCD which displays if you are moving forward, it displays moving forward. If you're moving right, displays moving right. If you're moving left, it displays moving left, and so on and so forth. So ideally I should be wearing a glove in this hand to control this module because of the ESD, but it's another luxury, so we'll skip that for now, and I'll get on with the demonstration. I'll switch the board on. Now as you can see, it's stationary and release the motor drivers. So the moment I release this driver and move my hand forwards, or tilt my hand forwards in this case, the board is going to move forward. Now it's stationary, and message is flashing that says stop. So now moving it a little forward will make it move forward. Tilting it backwards will make it move backwards. Then there's left and right and right. Okay, so this is how it basically works. The shortcomings of this model are basically, I've come across two of them. One is majorly this wires and all. This is just a temporary situation, because the only difference a wireless module and this makes is a Zigbee. The wireless project and this makes is a Zigbee module. As soon as I can lay my hands on one, I would get it. And the second one is the LCD programming. If you might notice, the input is continuously being taken from the environment and is going to be sent continuously towards the to the microcontroller. So it's the problem with LCD is they take a lot of time to refresh, and the refresh rate is quite slow. So the problem is it takes around 500 milliseconds. If you will see carefully, if I jerk the board towards the left extremely fast, then the motors are going to be running at extremely high speeds, almost at the rated speeds. So and as I turn it slower, and as I decrease the jerk or decrease the acceleration towards the left, they run slower. So here's a simple demonstration, and I will jerk it very fast first, so that you get the basic idea. If I jerk it very fast, you can see that the right motor is turning backwards, and the left motor is turning backwards, and the right motor is turning forwards, which means it's going to turn left if placed on the ground. Similar is the case with the forward motion. Doing it very fast, so the motors turn extremely fast, because it's still at that angle. The motors still continue to turn very fast until I decrease the angle of the tilt, which is going to be the next segment, turning in slow. Now if I tilt the accelerometer slowly towards the forward direction, the motors are going to move very slowly. The only reason of this short vision is because you'll be able to appreciate the speed of the motors from at this distance. So we'll just continue. If you see the motors tend to turn quite slowly now as compared to the original higher speeds, and since the angle I'm holding is still, the motors continue to run at a continuous speed, and even the humming is more pronounced now. And similar is the case for all other motions, right, left, or any others for that matter. And decreasing the angle of tilt further would result in an even more slower motion of the motors. So by doing that, I will be demonstrating the PWM, the final capabilities of the PWM of this bot. So here it goes. Even if the bot is let go now, and I tilt it this by slight extent, it moves very slowly and hardly gets any far. So it is the slowest motion that is available in my code out of the three segments, and that's all about PWM. Similar is the case for all of the motions left, right, forward and backward.